All right, back at you with another banger, another anticipated video. You can see I got the 5-rounder. Just a demonstration of how the Ambi bolt release works, bolt catch bolt release. So it is from phase 5, by the way, in case you guys are wondering. But yeah, you can see I dropped the bolt from the right side, and it is a replacement for that really skinny bolt release that comes from the factory. You can see I can drop it, and I can also still hit it, and it gives you more surface area, just like the paddle, and it'll still drop forward. And yeah, so you can still hit it just like normal. And here, I'll demonstrate it in a little bit how you usually do it. Pull it back, and then with your thumb you hit it, and it stays in place. But you can also do it with your firing hand now. Drop the bolt and also catch the bolt, which is bolt catch bolt release. You can drop it and release it. Some would say it's in the name, but anyways, guys, let me know what y'all think about this. And I keep getting comments like, you got this expensive gun with this cheap red dot. I've had this red dot for like 5 years, and it's just held 0 since I put it on here. I never really used it before. I bought it for like, I want to say 40 bucks. So, you know, it hasn't been letting me down yet, quote unquote. But let me know what y'all think about my new setup. This is my SPR currently, my special purpose rifle, or my GPR, my general purpose rifle. So, you know, I got a lot of uses out of this thing, and I plan on getting a lot more. So let me know what y'all think in the comments down below. Like, I'm subscribed, all of that stuff, and stay tuned for more if you want to see more about it. And